Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Crypto.com exchange. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial designed to help you get started with cryptocurrency trading, even if you're completely new to it. We'll cover everything from how to sign up, to exploring the trading platform, and even how to stake and withdraw your funds. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official website, Crypto.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice that Crypto.com offers both a mobile app and a desktop version. You can download the mobile app from the App Store if you're using iOS, or from Google Play if you're on Android. But for this tutorial, I'll be focusing on how to use the desktop version of the Crypto.com exchange. Now, scroll down the homepage until you see a link that says Crypto.com exchange. It's usually near the bottom or in the main menu under Products or Exchange. Click on that link. This will open the exchange platform in a new browser tab. Once the exchange page has fully loaded, you'll see a dashboard with various market charts, price tickers, and a list of cryptocurrencies currently being traded. You can view popular options like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, right on the front page. The charts show live data, such as price changes over the last hour, day, week, or month. These visuals help you understand how prices are moving before you decide to make a trade. If you want to explore more trading options, click on View More Markets. This will show you a complete list of available cryptocurrencies and trading pairs on the platform. As you scroll further down the page, you'll see a breakdown of the different features offered by the exchange. These include spot trading, margin trading, derivatives, staking, and several other tools that cater to both beginners and advanced users. Let's start by creating an account. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure all your details are correct and up to date. This is important because you'll be managing real funds, and accuracy is essential for verification and withdrawals. For smoother access to trading and better withdrawal options, I recommend selecting a European nationality during the sign-up process. France is one of the better choices in terms of availability and supported features. After completing the sign-up form, you'll receive a verification email. Open that email and click the link inside to confirm your registration. Once that's done, go back to the exchange and log in to your new account. Now you're inside the main trading interface. This is the hub where you'll be able to trade, buy, and sell cryptocurrencies. Let's go over how to place a trade. First, you'll need to select a trading pair. This could be something like BTC USDT or ETH USDC. You can find a pair by typing it into the search bar at the top or browsing through the list of available markets. After selecting your trading pair, take a moment to review the price chart. This chart gives you insight into recent price movements, trends, and trading volume. Use this information to help decide whether to buy or sell. If you want to buy, you'll need to choose the Buy tab. Set your limit price, enter the amount you want to purchase, and then click Confirm Order. If you want to sell, do the same thing using the Sell tab. Under the Spot section, you'll find access to more than 400 different cryptocurrency pairs. Spot trading allows you to buy or sell assets at the current market price, which is great for straightforward transactions. If you're more experienced and want to increase your potential returns, you can try margin trading. This lets you trade with borrowed funds, giving you more buying power. However, be aware that this also increases your risk, so it's best suited for traders who understand how it works. There are also derivatives products, such as perpetual contracts, which don't expire, and futures contracts, which have a fixed expiry date. These are commonly used for hedging or speculating on future price movements. Another advanced feature is warrants. These are contracts that give you the right to buy or sell Bitcoin at a fixed price before a certain date. Warrants can be useful for managing volatility in fast-moving markets. The OTC, over-the-counter section is designed for large volume trades that happen directly between buyers and sellers, often at better rates than regular markets. This is ideal if you're making high-value transactions. For more hands-off trading, you can use the Trading Bot. This tool allows you to automate your trades based on preset strategies. It's useful for users who want to stay active in the market without manually placing every order. Now let's look at earning rewards through staking. Click on the Yield section from the menu. This is where you can stake your crypto assets to earn passive income. When you stake your coins, there's usually an initial charging period, followed by a reward period where you earn based on the amount you've staked and the duration. This is a good way to earn additional crypto without actively trading. If you're looking to grow your involvement, you can check out the Market Maker and VIP programs. These are designed for high-volume traders and offer lower fees and other benefits. There's also an affiliate program if you want to refer new users and earn commissions. Under the More tab, you'll find additional features like the Trading Arena, which is a competition platform where you can win rewards by participating in trading challenges. The Syndicate is another section worth exploring. It offers access to discounted tokens through special promotions. Now, let's go over how to withdraw funds from your account. Before you can make a withdrawal, you need to make sure your account is fully verified. This includes adding your bank details or preferred payment method. In some cases, Crypto.com may require you to send a small test deposit to verify your payment account. This helps confirm your identity and adds an extra layer of protection against fraud. Once verification is complete, head to the Withdraw section. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, choose your payment method, and confirm the transaction. Depending on your bank, the withdrawal may take a few hours to a couple of days to complete. And that's it. You now know how to navigate and use the Crypto.com exchange. From signing up, exploring the dashboard, buying and selling crypto, to staking and withdrawing funds, everything can be done through a simple and user-friendly interface. Thanks for watching.